The vocal coming from there, you know. The sweet little vocal, you know. Ready. Vocal warm up. This time we're going for it. I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace, by your grace. I'm blinded by your grace. I'm blinded by your Lord, I've been broken. Although I'm not worthy, you fix me. I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me, Lord, I've been broken. Although I'm not worthy, you fix me. Now I'm blinded by your grace. You came and saved me. One time for the Lord, and one time for the cause, and one round of applause. One time for Fraser T. Smith on the chords. I think we got one. I stay prayed up, then I get the job done. Yeah, I'm Abigail's youth, but I'm God's son. But I'm up now, look at what God's done. No, I'm real tall, look at what God did. On the main stage, running around topless. I phone flips and I tell him that we got.
Hello, this is my lovely daughter. I just tell you her name and what she likes doing best. Media, what's your name? Tell me the name of your best friend. I'm based here and Ellie Queen and as of now, and Geek Young. Yeah. What's your favorite food? Rice and stew. What's the name of your mommy? Yeah, that's special. And we have Sunday school children, that's the children's ministry, right? And everybody, children's ministry, Sunday school, we want to say bye-bye. Yesu. Yesu. Our Ed. Yeah, this is the children's ministry and we are having fun. Bye-bye.